Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Kia Sportage EX trim level. Car has all-wheel drive. It's a demo unit. Comes with roof rails, signal repeaters in the mirrors, aluminum alloy wheels, fog lights, and other features we'll talk about as we go around the car. Sportage has a 2.4 liter engine, 6-speed automatic transmission. Coming around to the driver's side, let's take a look inside. Car has power windows, locks and mirrors, traction control, and a control for the dash lights. Sportage only has 9,911 kilometers. Steering wheel with the audio and cruise control buttons, as well as other functions for the car. Radio showing Sirius XM. There's a 3-month free subscription comes with this car for you to try out Sirius XM, see how much you enjoy it. Car has a backup camera. Down a little bit lower, the radio controls. Below that, the climate control, the push button start, heated front seats, also heated steering wheel. Auxiliary and USB input ports, as well as a couple of 12-volt charging ports. The automatic transmission, drive mode select, lock for the all-wheel drive, and a downhill control. Seating surfaces are leather. Driver's seat is powered. Let's take a look in the back. Plenty of room back here for people. Again, we have the leather seating surfaces. The back is a 60-40 split, which means that you can lay down one side or the other side or both sides if you need to carry something a little bit larger. Shot of that EX badging. In the back, plenty of room back here. Need to carry some groceries, carry some sports gear, some outdoor gear. Anything else you need to carry, and of course you can lay those seats down one side or the other or both sides to carry even more. (2018) Kia Sportage EX trim levels available from West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge in Maple Ridge. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. Bring the family down, see how well they fit in this Sportage. See how well this Sportage fits into your family. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.